Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Annalie. Happy birthday to you. Yay!
She's like, I don't understand. You guys are singing my name. Alright. The time has come, child.
Eat the cake on the floor.
Oh wow, that's a big cake. Oh my goodness.
Not on the kitchen floor. Come, child. It's like a whole ceremony.
Sit her behind it. Oh my. Oh, get out of the way. Oh, what is that?
Is it good?
You're in the way.
Is that a cake? It's all for you.
You're like how it's already on the diaper. What is that? Oh. Oh.
You're a little smart.
What's that? Look.
Touch it. This is the one time you get to be messy.
I'm gonna eat the cake.
You have to eat it, silly. There you go.
Yay!
There you go. Good job. She's like, I don't understand. It kind of tastes good. I'm just gonna play with it though. Oh.
It's like everybody's watching me eat this cake. So why is everybody watching me?
Annalie.
Hands that way.
I'm just waiting for her to smear
Oh.
it.
Is that good? Good stuff? Says, I don't know what to do.
This is strange.
Oh, you're fine.